Hi guys, so how to use my wallets? So if you will navigate yourself from this menu, you can select here wallet. Once you will select it, you will see all your wallets with how much money you have on your account. So for example, always in the green color is your main wallet. If you want to see the transactions on your main wallet, you simply click here on transaction history, and it's going to navigate you to this page where you will see on blockchain all the transactions that you did it. And of course, you can click here on every transaction and you can see input, outputs, everything. Okay. Then next thing what you can do, if you want to pay from this wallet to some the different wallet, you can then select here, so in what currency. I'm going to select, let's say, Lana. I'm going to transfer 10,000 Lanas, and I have here 4 different possibilities. I can rather find someone into from the registered to the world of Lanas here. I just simply write his or her name, and then I can select this person or someone else. The next thing is going to be I can scan, or I can select from some of my wallets where I want to transfer. For example, I'm going to right now transfer to this wallet. I'm going to select here continue. So now it is going from this wallet to this wallet. Here you have to select your private key. System is checking whether this private key is correct. And the transaction is done. So now you can see that the system automatically deducted this amount and is transferring to another wallet of mine. Okay, you can have multiple wallets. In a case you want to create a new wallet, you can go here on register new wallet. You have to first create new wallet. This is a different module where you can generate wallets, but once you have generated, you will enter here the wallet. Then you will select wallet type. In general, you are using wallets. Knights wallets and Lana Pesas wallets are very special wallets that can be used for a special manner. So people who are using Lana Pesas or Knights, they already know all about that. And then you can here write some notes so that you will have in the future here notification that at least you will know why some wallets is here. If you want to delete some of the wallets, you cannot do that through that module. You have to navigate to the registrar. There's a special video on that. Okay, here you have all your wallets, and Lana 8 Wonder wallets have these different backgrounds so that there's no confusion where is something, you know. Okay, guys, this is in general how the model wallet is working. Enjoy.